Dear teacher, on this special day, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You are not just a teacher, but a true guide, mentor, and friend. Your patience has shaped my thoughts. Your encouragement has built my confidence, and your wisdom has lit the path of my journey. Every lesson you teach is not just from books, but from the heart, filled with care and inspiration. I feel truly blessed to have a teacher like you. With gratitude and respect, thank you for everything you do. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.